Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add a frame in Canva. So let's begin. First, open your design in Canva and click on Elements in the toolbar at the left. Once you click Elements, you will see a bunch of different shapes pop up appearing. Now, click on Frames option here and you will see all the frames that you will have. So you will see a bunch of frames pop up, circles, squares, polaroid, style frames and more. Now, click on any frame that you like and it gets added to your design. So if I click, for example, circle, this will be instantly added to my design. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it anywhere on your canvas. So I'll make it look something like this. Now, to add an image inside the frame, just go back to your uploads or search for a photo in the elements. So I'll get to elements and I'll click photos. Now, I can select any of these images, just left click it and drag it to the top of your frame. And that image will be instantly added to your frame. It's that simple. You can also resize your frame anyhow you want. Or if you want to change it, just navigate to elements again, search for frame, choose frame, and drag the frame just right here. So that's how you add frame in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.